Time to have some fun. My name is Quincy. Quincy Jeffrey Thomas, in that order. This here's Betha. Before I forget, she's my trusty partner. Been with me for a long time. She's alright. I'm a survival expert. I've been on countless expeditions across the U.S. I've seen countless terrors and countless wonders, but I've been through it all. And I'm here to gift you with some of my knowledge. And I'm welcome. Welcome to have you here. Let's begin. As a survival expert, I'm familiar in the ways of the wilderness. And I have many supplies here that you need and do not need. Let's go over a couple. First thing you're going to need to survive: extra virgin olive oil. Put this on you, you'll be as slick as a newborn babe. Escape from any predator. Anything trying to catch you, you'll get away. Tastes great too. Next thing, U.S. Army Survival Manual. For chumps only. I don't need this, because I'm a survival expert. If you want to die, you join the Army. You want to live, you follow a survival expert. So, only get that if you're, pathetic enough. Now, next thing you're going to need: notebook. Keep track. So many people have died. Their stories have gone untold. You don't want that to happen. Next thing. Coins. We don't use paper money. We use coinage. Why? Because it works out better. Next thing. What the heck? Some sort of alien technology. Last thing you don't need: cell phone. Get this cell phone, you die. It'll weigh you down. The signals from it will attract animals to come and eat you. And unless you don't want that, don't bring it. Day 1. Let's begin.
Get out of my way! Get out! Punks!
Survival tip number 300. This is how to get water. Filled with water, people. Over there. What's that? Let's go. It couldn't be. I've heard the stories. It's the remains of an ancient civilization. Oh my gosh. They must have worshipped fish. This place might have once been an ocean. Thousands of years ago. I can't believe it. Wait. Here comes a Coke bottle. Advanced? This must have been an advanced civilization. Couldn't be. Grandma? I've lost count of time. The notebook, it's filled up. I don't know what day it is. I don't know how long I've been out here. Wait a minute. That looks like a nice clearing right there. If you have any questions or comments, I'll be sure to respond. I always respond. Now, excuse me. While I go relieve myself and drop a deuce, be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe.